Hello, welcome to Concepts of Cloud. In this video, we will see how to install an SSM agent on EC2 server. Session Manager is a fully managed AWS system manager capability that lets us manage our Amazon EC2 instance through an interactive one-click browser-based shell. There are many benefits of installing SSM agent on EC2 instance. Few of them are: we can view operational data from multiple AWS services and automate operational tasks across AWS resources. We can centrally define the configuration options and policy of our managed resources. Here, managed resources means the resources on which we have installed SSM agent. We can securely connect to a managed resource without having to open an inbound port or manage SSH keys. So let us go to our AWS console and install SSM agent on one of our EC2 server. I am in my AWS console now. We will go to EC2 dashboard. SSM test VM is the server on which we are going to install SSM agent. So before we start installing SSM agent, we need to create an IAM role and attach that IAM role to this server. So we will go to IAM. We need to create a role. So we will click on create role. Case will be EC2 only, as we are going to assign this role to an EC2 server only. We'll search for SSM. This is the role we are going to create, Amazon EC2 role for SSM. Check on that box, click on next tags. I will quickly fill tags also. Next, review. Provide same name only. We can put different name also. Here we can read the role description. Allow EC2 instance to call AWS services on your behalf. We will create role. Now we have to attach this SSM EC2 IAM role to this server on which we want to install SSM agent. Again, we will go to EC2 dashboard. I am opening it in new tab. This is the test VM on which we are going to install SSM agent. Check this instance. Click on actions. Go to security. Modify IAM role. Here we can see this IAM role, what we have created just now. Select this one. Click on save. Okay. Now this is the security group with which this VM is associated with. So let us check its inbound rule once. We can see port 22 is open. It means we can SSH to this instance. Click on connect. Here we have several options to connect to this EC2 instance. Instance connect, session manager, SSH client, serial console. When we try to connect through session manager, here we can see connect is grayed out because session manager is not installed on this EC2 instance. But port 22 is open. We can connect through instance connect also. Click on connect. We are into server now. Now we will install SSM agent. This is the command which we use to check the status of SSM agent on our EC2, whether it is installed or not. So it is saying package is available. We will check its status also. It is saying unit Amazon SSM agent could not be found. It means it is not running. Now we will install this. This is the command to install SSM agent. But here we have to replace the region. Means this region should be replaced with actual region, which means the region in which our EC2 instance is running. So let us confirm once in which region our instance is running. It is running in US East 1. We will modify here only US East 1. Anywhere region is written, we have to write actual region. US East 1. We will copy this and paste it here. We are getting error because we have given wrong region name. By mistake I wrote here UA East 1. That is why we are getting error. We will modify this. Again I will paste it here. It is installing now. Okay. SSM manager has been installed now. Again we will check its status. Now it is running. We will go to EC2 dashboard again. Now click on session manager. We have options to connect now. Click on connect. We successfully logged into server now through session manager. So while discussing on session manager, we discussed that we can connect to server without opening port 22 also with the help of session manager. So we will see that also. Go to instance. This is the instance we have installed session manager just now. Click on security. Go to its security group. Edit its inbound rule. We will delete this now. Means we are not allowing SSH connection now. We'll delete. Save rules. Again go to EC2 console. Now connect through instance connect. Click on connect. We are getting error. Why? Because we disabled that inbound rule now. We are not allowing this instance to connect through port 22. But still we could log in through this session manager. This is the beauty of session manager. That is why we can say session manager is more secure. Apart from this, we have various perks of session manager which we can check on session manager console. We can search SSM Systems Manager. Click on Session Manager. Here we have different options: operation management, application management, change management, node management, everything. Various activities can be performed with the help of Session Manager. This video was about installing SSM agent only. We are not discussing these things in this video. I hope you like this video. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in another video. Till then, take care and keep learning.